Hello, Nura. How are you?
Hey there, I'm doing great and ready to chat. Let's dive in whenever you're all set.
Okay. About using videos from YouTube. First step before touching a surgical video on YouTube, I need to be sure about the license.
Absolutely, that's the way to start. You just want to make sure that the video is actually labeled with a Creative Commons attribution license on YouTube. Once you got that confirmed, you're good to move on to the next step.
Okay. Once I confirm the license, I shouldn't just copy it as it is.
Exactly, you've got it. Once you know the license is all clear, the next thing is to actually transform the video. You want to add your own narration, maybe some annotations or commentary. Basically, put your own educational spin on it so it's not just a straight re upload.
And the credit. How do I phrase it properly? Help me, please.
Of course, it's pretty simple. You'll just add a note in your video description along the lines of original video by channel name, license under Creative Commons attribution, watch the original here. And then just mention that you've transformed it for educational purposes.
Okay, what about titles, thumbnails? I think they also need attention.
Absolutely, they do. You'll want to keep those titles and thumbnails accurate and respectful. No clickbait or anything that might mislead. Just make sure they reflect the educational nature of what you're doing, and you're all set.
Okay, great. If I wanted, could I monetize such a video?
Yep, you sure can. As long as you've done that transformation and given proper credit, it's totally fine to monetize. Just think of it as adding your own educational spice that makes it valuable.
Good. So the sequence is clear. Check license, transform, attribute, stay respectful, and only then consider monetization. Is that so?
Exactly, you got it spot on. That's the whole recipe right there. Follow those steps, and you're doing everything by the book. Nice and responsible.
Thanks. See you later.
You're very welcome. Catch you later and have fun with your project.
Surely I am having fun. Thank you.
Absolutely. That's the spirit. It's always great to hear you're having a good time with it. If you need anything else, just let me know.
Just keep these steps in your memory because I want it.
You got it. I'll keep those steps tucked away in mind for whenever you need a reminder. Just say the word and I'll bring them right back up.
Thanks a lot. Bye.